Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Rayyan, but you can call me Rayyan because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation on imagination math. So let's get started.
Plus 98
Plus 98
minus 5
minus 5
plus 7
plus 7
minus 6
minus 6
plus 6.
plus 6
Answer is
100.
next 81
81
plus 6
plus 6
plus 8
plus 8
minus 7
minus 7
minus 8.
minus 8
Answer is
80
next plus 73
plus 73
plus 8
plus 8
plus 9
plus 9
plus 2
plus 2
plus 5.
plus 5
Answer is
97
next plus 84
plus 84
plus 5
plus 5
plus 6
plus 6
minus 7
minus 7
again minus 7.
again minus 7
Answer is
again
plus 84
plus 84
plus 5
plus 5
plus 6
plus 6
minus 7
minus 7
again minus 7.
again minus 7.
Answer is
Answer is 81. Well, that's all about my presentation. Hope you loved my presentation. Next time I will be back with another wonderful presentation. Till then, tata for now. Love you and leave you.